G'day ladies and gentlemen, today we will be reviewing the amazing Yamaha Portasound, one of my kids' teachers who is awesome and has an awesome taste in music. She will soon be retiring and her favourite band is Muse. Not that they're my favourite band, but it's pretty awesome that Jarvis's teacher likes Muse. Alright, so let's switch this baby on. As you can see here, no cords attached. This thing runs on batteries. I will go over the hardware just very quickly. Here is a foot pedal it's a weird foot pedal. It actually looks like an RCA in and out. You've right next to it on the left, your left, is a headphone jack. So we don't have to listen to the noisy kids, and also a DC, so a power adapter in if you do want to be attached to the wall. But this thing goes everywhere. Alright, so let's switch it on. Select the sound. This camera doesn't focus too well macro, so I'm telling you it's got organ. Oh, that's a bit dicky, that one. Flute. Brass. Oh, that sounds so realistic. What do we got? Strings. Here we go. Oh, that's awe-inspiring strings. We got clarinet next. Oh, takes me back. What do we got up here? Piano. This will be one of the best Steinway piano samples you can get. Oh, amazing. It's like I'm in a concert hall. All this is coming out of here, by the way. Tiny little speaker on the left of the little keyboard here. What do we got next? Harpsichord. Oh, chamber musicians. Eat your heart out. Guitar. Oh, just like a Fender Strat. Alright, and a vibraphone. I actually like that the most. And it's got the sustain button over here, that's just to the right of the tone select. Like that. And of course, we've got the famous Yamaha Portasound rhythms. Alright, so we're doing a bit of rock there. Let's turn the tempo down and go a bit of a waltz. Papa, that's how it goes. We've got a bit of swing. Oh yeah. All your ladies and lasses. There's the piano, here we go. Ooh, it's having a bit of a freak out. Sorry, I'm just hand-holding this. Bit of Latin. Oh yeah, J-Lo, eat your heart out. Now this is my favourite part though. You can't read this, but it says single finger chord. Press that and have a look at this magic. So basic controls are major volume. Then you've got the volume of the one finger chord. As you switch it off, it still does one finger chords. And then you've got a mixer over here, so between, let's start this up again. So you can have that all the way down, that beat, or bring it all the way in. And you've got the tempo. Really slow or really fast. You know which one I prefer. So that is the amazing Yamaha Portasound. Do yourself a favour, go to your local thrift shop or whatever you call it in your local area and pick yourself up a Yamaha Portasound. It's hours worth of fun and the kids will love it. See you tomorrow.